Welcome to our ultimate comparison of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Mini 4K drone. Today, we will dive into the features, specifications, and performance of these two popular devices. Whether you're a vlogger looking for a compact camera or a drone enthusiast wanting to capture stunning aerial footage, this video will help you decide which product suits your needs best. Let's get started. Both the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Mini 4K offer impressive 4K video recording capabilities. The Osmo Pocket 3 boasts a 1-inch CMOS sensor that allows for stunning video quality at 4K 120 FPS, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects with clarity. On the other hand, the Mini 4K provides excellent 4K UHD video quality, suitable for aerial shots and landscapes. Though both devices excel in video quality, the Osmo Pocket 3's advanced features like face and object tracking give it an edge for dynamic filming situations. When it comes to portability, both devices are designed for easy transport. The Osmo Pocket 3 weighs only 179 grams, making it a perfect companion for vloggers on the go. In comparison, the DJI Mini 4K is also lightweight at 246 grams, which is impressive for a drone. Its compact design allows it to fit easily into a backpack, making it a great choice for outdoor adventures. While both options are portable, the Osmo Pocket 3's handheld design offers more flexibility for spontaneous shooting. The user experience differs significantly between the two products. The Osmo Pocket 3 is packed with advanced features like 3-axis stabilization and Active Track 6.0, making it suitable for professional content creators who require high-quality footage. However, it comes at a higher price point. Conversely, the DJI Mini 4K is designed with beginners in mind, offering an easy-to-use interface and features like auto-return and impressive flight time. This makes it an excellent choice for those new to drone flying, providing a balance of quality and accessibility. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the DJI Mini 4K have their unique strengths. The Osmo Pocket 3 excels in video quality and advanced features, making it ideal for vloggers and content creators. Meanwhile, the Mini 4K offers an affordable, user-friendly option for those looking to explore aerial photography. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these devices could be the perfect addition to your gear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.